My name is Shane McClintock. I live in Monroe City, Missouri. I started farming in 1971. This farm's been in my family for several generations. How many, I'm not sure. Some of it's rolling, some of it's flat. I don't farm any bottom ground, mostly upland ground. I no-till probably 75% of the acres. I bought my first Kinze planter in 1997. I traded a no-till Great Plains drill for it. I've had several ever since, from 3600s to 3800s to the 3500. I even had a smaller one at one time. Usually the planters that I've traded in, they don't have any trouble selling them. You know, people are definitely looking for them. So, no, I think the trading value is very good. I've had very few issues. They're chain drive, you know, and as long as you lubricate all your chains at the beginning of the season and then maybe halfway through put a little more chain lube on them, we don't have hardly any issues. So a lot of my neighbors, they run Kinze, and I would say that up and down the road, the Kinze planter around here is probably, I'd have to think 60–70% at least, and maybe more. I think the simplicity is what sells them. I mean, you know, you can get as complicated as you want with a planter. Anymore, you can add everything from hydraulic down pressure to electric drive to you name it. But you know, around here, the simplicity of the Kinze, just the mechanical drive, is still number one. You know, the technology is great if you need it, and I know that there's a lot of people that are utilizing the high speed. 2 or 3 pieces of equipment over my farming career that were built by farmers originally, and all of them have been good. It's the same philosophy of Kinze. You know, if it's invented or designed or built by a farmer, it's a pretty good product. Knowing that it's a farmer-owned company, it definitely gives me confidence that, you know, got the farmers in mind more so than maybe profits, you know, and yeah.